big, huge, spacious looking living room, spacious looking kitchenette, and this is indeed a nice big spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak. Well, today we are here at Godrej Woodscapes, which is by Godrej Properties and located in Budigere Cross Whitefield, East Bangalore. We are going to do its sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to do a lot in detail. But first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform wherein the listing is done directly with the developer. So do not go here and there, book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. And also, if you need more details about more projects on this location, you can just click on the I button. And let's go. Well, now let's talk about the project overview. So Godrej Woodscapes by Godrej Properties is located in Budigere Cross Whitefield, East Bangalore. And it is constructed on 28 acres of land parcel having 15 towers of 39 floors each, and it also has 3 basements as well. When we talk about the configuration, so this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK as well as 4.5 BHKs as well, and there are a lot of categories from compact to spacious as per your requirements and needs. And now let's talk about the connectivity. So this project, one side of the project is located right on the NH75 highway. So it has a great connectivity to the highway. So there's a straight road that goes to the airport and you reach the airport in just 30 to 40 minutes. And this project is in the epicenter of North and East Bangalore. So everything is at a great connectivity. Orion Uptown Mall is just 1.5 kilometers from the project, as well as healthcare facilities are at a good connectivity at an easy reach from this project. Schools and colleges are located just in a vicinity of 2 to 3 kilometers. Tech parks are 2 to 3 kilometers away from this project as well. Now, let's talk about the amenities. So this project has 60 plus ultra luxurious amenities, and let me tell you that 15 acres of this project is filled with lush greenery, and all the amenities are nature theme amenities. So there is an artificial lake right inside the project. There is a tree top walkway as well. There is a rooftop temperature pool. There is swimming pool. There is gymnasium, kids play area, senior citizen area, and also a clubhouse that has wonderful amenities, and it is of 90,000 square feet. So yes, this is about the amenities, connectivity and the project overview. And now without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. So let's go. So right now we are standing outside the 3.5 BHK premium apartment of Godrej Woodscapes by Godrej Properties, which is located in Budigere Cross Whitefield, East Bangalore. Let's go inside, but before that I want you to see the floor plan as well, which is already mentioned over here. And now let's go inside, but before we go inside the main entrance, I want you to see that the 0.5 room is over here. Let's go inside and see the 0.5 room. This can be customized as your maid's room. You can make this as your studio or your any other personal room. It has a separate entrance. However, you can also make an entrance for this room from your house as well, but this is one thing that's been provided separately for you. And a washroom has also been provided over here, so that's really very great. And as you can see, this room also comes with a window, so for your ventilation also everything is great. And now let's go inside and see the remaining part of the house. So as we enter, there's a nice big passage area that's been given over here. So you can see a nice big passage area has been given, which makes your house look even more spacious. As we enter, first is the guest room that's been given over here. But before that, I want you to see the living room, which is a very big, huge, spacious looking living room. A dining area has been given over here, as well as your seating area can be customized as per your requirements. And wow, now let's go and see the balcony area. Wow, look at this. This is indeed very premium, I must say, because it's got like a big, huge balcony with a wooden finishing. So that's really great, and you can just enjoy the nature, the scenic beauty outside just sitting in your balcony. So that's also really very nice. I think I'm already in love with the balcony. There is this your AC, the venting area has been given over here as well. Right now the plants are there, so I'm not going to disturb them. And now let's go and see the kitchenette area. Also, I would like to say that the vitrified tiling has been provided in the entire house. A security CCTV system has been provided, as well as a 360-degree security system has also been provided, wherein just with an app you can control all the electronics of your house. So that's like a cherry on the cake, a bonus point as well. And now let's see the kitchenette area. A nice big spacious looking kitchenette area has been given over here. This is how you can customize your kitchen as well. You can keep it like an open kitchen, or you can pack it. This is the wall wherein if you want to join the 0.5 room, you can just break this wall and you can make a door from here to connect to the 0.5 room. And now let's see the utility area that's been given over here. So a nice utility area has been also provided. I think I must say that it's like a nice big spacious utility area wherein you can store all your utilities, including your washing machine. And also in the kitchen also a nice wide sliding window has been provided, so that's really very great. And now let's go and see the remaining part of the house. But first let us go to the guest bedroom, which we missed earlier. So let's go to bedroom number 1. Wow, a nice big spacious looking bedroom number 1 has been given over here. You can also customize this like your guest bedroom as well, because it's just on the starting. And a nice wide sliding French window has been given, so that's really nice. Just from your bed you can enjoy the lush greeneries outside. This is a place wherein you can, have like a chair like this and just stay like a king or a queen. And now let's go inside and see the washroom area. A nice big spacious washroom area has been given over here with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings. So that's really great. And a small window has been given for your ventilation as well. So that's great as well. And now let's go and see the bedroom number 2 and the remaining parts. Let's go. Before we go to bedroom number 2, there is a common washroom that's been given over here. I think I must say that it's a nice big spacious washroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, a small window for your ventilation as well. So that's really great. And now let's head to bedroom number 2. Nice big spacious room again, I must say, and sliding windows here also have been provided. A separate space has been provided. Either you can make this as your study or your dressing table, and that's a nice beautiful wardrobe that's been provided over here. This is how you can also customize as per your requirements, so that's really very great. And now let's head to the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. We also let you know the sample flat tour as well. We give you 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And we also let you know the pros and cons of every project. Like, why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? Why you should invest in a particular project or not? And if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can do your free site visit book. So come on, go and click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit. And now let's head to the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. So let's head to the bedroom number 3. Wow, look at this. A nice big passage area has been provided before you enter into the room. And this is indeed a nice big spacious master bedroom, I must say. It's a nice huge master bedroom. There are those sliding windows also that have been given. A small sliding window has been given, so that's also really very great, as well as a walk-in wardrobe space has been given over here. So this is how you can also customize as per your requirements. Both side wardrobe space has been given. Here is the washroom for the master bedroom. A nice big spacious washroom has been given over here. with anti-skid tires, high-end sanitary fittings, so that's really great. And now let's go and see the balcony which is attached in the master bedroom. Wow. A nice big spacious balcony also has been provided over here, wherein you can just sit, relax, enjoy the lush greeneries outside. So yes, this was a 3.5 BHK premium apartment tour of Godrej Woodscapes by Godrej Properties, which is located in Budigere Cross, Whitefield, East Bangalore. How did you like the project? Let us know in the comment section. You can also download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. Also, if you need more details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on Housey.com. As well as I would like to tell you that if you have any positive as well as negative feedbacks for us to improve on our videos, or which more videos would you like to see from Housey, you can let us know that as well in the comment section. And also, before going, you know the drill, like, share and subscribe to our channel Housey for more details and more videos. We will meet you next time. Until then, bye bye and take care. So everyone, this was a 3.5 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Godrej Woodscapes located in Budigere Cross Road by Godrej Groups. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.